Hi guys, welcome to this month's Topical Tip. We're indoors today in the simulator here at Royal Ashdown Forest Golf Club, and what I want to chat to you about today is hitting a nice fade into a green. So what are we going to get from a fade? Well, we're hitting it from left to right with a nice gentle shape, hopefully coming back to the target. But also what that's going to do, fades naturally have a little bit more backspin on the ball. So the ball's not going to travel as far through the air, and when it lands onto the green, we're going to get a nice soft, receptive sort of bounce into the green. So think about it when you have got positions maybe on the front of a green, you might want to try and hit this fade, get the ball landing soft and not chasing out the back of the green. So how are we going to do that? Well, there's lots said about in terms of alignment and where you should point the club and your body, and that's absolutely right. In effect, we want the club face slightly open when we hit the ball to our body. But I'm going to talk about more how you're going to feel about it. So naturally we're going to take a setup that is slightly left of our target to help this ball curve back to the right. But there's two other things I want you to think about. First thing is the pace of the shot. I actually want you to swing slower when hitting a fade. That means you're going to have to club up. But by swinging slower, you're going to have more control of the club face through the ball, ensuring that it's not going to twist and turn and rotate if you were trying to swing it faster with those hands. So that's the first thing. Secondly, we're going to think of the right shoulder. Now I want your right shoulder through the ball to be coming down and to the left. Not trying to hit up and this way where some people can come out of their posture, but we're going to go down and to the left with that right shoulder. Those two things are going to give us a slightly out to in path, cutting across the ball and controlling that club face nice and open with that pace. So if I just take this setup a little bit to the left, slow and the shoulder down and left. See that ball just curving back to the right there. It's going to have a nice soft landing into the green, checking up nicely there. That's what we're trying to look for a fade. Have a go at that. Some of you might get the ball working a little bit too much left to right, but just persevere and keep practicing over the winter months. See you next month.